Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this simple face in Blender. Very simple face. Today I am going to model this. So let's start. That's it, friend. This was the reference I was using, and this is our model. So this was the reference, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. This is a very easy face. Anybody can model this kind of face. So that's it, friends. Bye.